Yo, linear algebra mastery continuing right now, and we jump into Anki to begin with. What is Anki? You know what Anki is. Maybe you don't. Sometimes we get some random viewers here. If this is your first time, you've never watched any videos, Anki's a flashcard system. So we're jumping in. We got 6 flashcards that are due today. What does it mean to say a linear system is consistent and has at least one solution? What is another name for the variables in a linear system? Unknowns. What is a system of linear equations, also known as a linear system? It's basically a finite set of linear equations. How might you express the solution of a linear system as an ordered n tuple? How might you express the solution? You basically can express it as parenthesis S1, comma S2, comma dot dot dot, comma Sn. What is the linear equation in the variables x1, x2, xn? Linear equation in those variables is going to be a1x1 plus a2x2 plus dot 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 plus anxn equals b. What is a homogeneous linear system? What is a homogeneous or homogeneous? What is a homogeneous linear equation in the variables? It's basically exactly what we just said, except with 0 instead of b. So a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus dot 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 plus anxn equals 0. Here we go. Done. That's how you do it. Thank you. Flashcards are now done for the day. What do we do next? Well, what we do next is we grade the problem I did yesterday. Actually, it wasn't yesterday, it was 2 days ago. Usually it's yesterday. It's true or false on 1.2e. Did we get it right? True. We got that right. So what I do then, just mark it right on here. And now I'm going to go complete one more problem, and then I'll be back after that. Just completed another problem. This one was from 1.1. Are we ever going to get through this book? I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, now what do? We recall what we can from the other day from watching how to read new proofs online or on this video series. My new plan is to complete the current video I'm on. There's like 15 videos in the series. I'm going to be done with 2, but I'm going to have enough skills where I can probably do the proof in this section. And then the next time I get to a proofs problem, I'll watch the next video. So, or the next section. Yeah. So, okay. We learned the forward-backward method. I think we just did some like practice. Did some examples. He was doing some examples in the video. I don't know what I would have taken notes on. I know how to do the forward-backward method, I think. The key question is what? What is the key question? It's like, what makes B true? What would make the conclusion true? How can I show that B is true? That's the, okay. Okay, so one note on forward process, you can combine multiple steps, previous true statements, to make more new statements. And right, then you have to write it all out once you've connected the forward and the backward. And we're just learning about the tabular or 2-column way of writing proofs. But we're going to learn about some others. So that's it for right now. I'm going to go continue watching this video. I should be able to complete this video today. I'll come back to recall it, and then with the rest of the day, we'll figure out what to do. So I'll be back in a bit. That's it. Completed that video. Basically, another way to write proofs is the condensed form, which is basically written in sentences or paragraph structures or sentence structure. Yeah, kind of just written in language, and that's yeah. Reading proofs can be difficult if it's in condensed form because it doesn't give you the technique they're using, or and sometimes they skip steps or they condense steps into one step, so you have to kind of fill in the blanks yourself. So that's the two things you need to do to read proofs. You need to figure out what technique they're using, and then you need to fill in any blank. You need to fill in any steps that they don't specifically describe themselves yourself. All right. So now we've got enough where I think we can actually attempt one of these proof problems in this book. Why not? Let's try it. I mean, I only got a minute left, so I'll start it, but yeah, be back in a sec. So I just got started with the problem. That's what we'll be working on tomorrow. Or started with the proof. It's the first proof I've attempted, so breaking new ground. That's it for today. Talk to you later. See ya.